because it's free webinar. And this is Jack, and welcome to my webinar. I'm going to talk about some important things in the Forex and future markets so that it can help you guys to have better understanding in the market and also get some preparation for the non-farm payroll this Friday. Okay, so you can send me any messages, okay, in the chat window. Okay, you can send me messages, and I can answer your questions. Okay, is that cool? Shall we start? Shall we start? Yeah, if you're ready, just reply me by 1. Okay, let me just see how many of you guys are ready. Okay, good. I have Jane. Okay. Oh, Paul, you're here. Ken, wow, what's up? Oh, that's good. And remember to notify other students. Okay. All right, let's talk about the DXY first. Okay, DXY in the weekly chart has breaks 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 weeks low for this week. Okay, just breaks another low, and it touched the 92.81. And in my previous webinar, I have marked a place for you guys, right? It's actually here. It's here in this. This is a very important zone for the DXY. Okay, very important. Okay, from 91.92 to 93.11, and we can see the rally from 2016 June 23rd, which is almost 1 year ago, more than 1 year ago. That is DXY starts rally from this place. And now it actually touched very nicely. Okay, it just sits in the zone. Okay, and we observe the price action here. What we can have? We have a very bearish candle. Okay, goes closed below the previous week, and then we have a very small body, right? A very small candle, green color, and today we have a red color candle, but however we have a very nice long tails, right? Is this long tail? Right? The tail is actually facing bottom, right? The tail is facing bottom, which tells you that there's a lot of buyers in this area, and more importantly, okay, what about the lows, guys? We can see that the DXY has, stopped making lower lows in the recent 3 days. Today's Wednesday, right? Monday has a new low. Tuesday, yesterday it's actually bounced quickly. And today, another sell off, but cannot close below. So, do we have an equal lows, guys? Do you agree that? If you agree, please reply me by 1. Okay, that's good. So since we are having a equal lows, which means the previous downtrend is probably going to have an end story here. Okay, I won't say that the DXY will reverse very quickly, have a very big rally, but at least it stops the sellers momentum, right? Stops the sellers momentum, breaks new low. See, one day breakdown, another day just 1 day to sideways. Okay, range, another day break new low. Okay, sideways 1 day, another break new low, 2 days sideways, break new low. Okay, you can see here some kind of the bears is kind of losing power, right? Couldn't goes lower, right? Couldn't goes lower. And very important reason is it actually find a very strong support from this area. Okay, it's right in the buyer's zone, okay, attacking zone. Okay, let's go to 1 hour chart. So in the 1 hour chart, what we can see is the DXY have tested many times of 92.80, this level is very important. Okay, it failed to break through, and what happened to the to the upside? It actually creates a new high. Okay, right? Trying to give a new high and then back down again, and now it swing back. Okay, so all this is telling you that DXY is now ranging. It's ranging in this session from 93.15, which is the previous low, and also from 92.80. Now, let me ask you, in the daily chart, we know that the DXY is in the very, very low location, right? It's in the high, middle, and low location, right? Do you really still want to sell, or you prefer to sell a bounce, sell when the price rally to maybe 95.50, or maybe another situation you can sell the breakout, okay? Because a lot of stop loss order will be placed just below 91.92. But why do you want to short at here right now? I won't suggest that. Okay. Okay. I won't suggest that, because right now it's in a very low location. You can only sell either when the price rally high enough, okay, for the price to drop again, or you want to sell the breakout to open the downside room, to open the whole room here, okay, when it breaks this wick. Okay, so things now it hasn't breaks the wick, you don't want to short right now because you don't want to sell into the support area. Okay, and another situation, another thing is the DXY is trying to already complete the bat pattern, which is a harmonic pattern here. It's a bullish bat pattern, and the completion point will be about 93.28. Okay, here. Okay, so this harmonic pattern is telling you that probably, most likely, or high chance the DXY will find some support from here, and you won't be surprised that the price can rally to a 382 or 618 rally. You won't be surprised. Okay, so be prepared that the DXY may have a rally. Okay, if you cannot understand my words, you can just understand the charts. Okay, because I have marked with arrow. Okay, you can easily understand what I mean. All right, so DXY may have this bad pattern. Okay, provided it didn't break new low. If it breaks new low, if it breaks new low, okay, we want to get it out. We want to be safe. We don't want to buy anymore. Okay, it breaks the new low, hit the stop loss, you just get it out. Okay, understand? So this Friday will be very, very important because we have a non-farm payroll. Okay, the U.S. labor market data. Okay, if the NFP is good, probably we will see a rally from DXY. Okay, so this is the first thing. So DXY is in a very, very low location in a support zone. So the dollar may have a rally in this week. All right, let's go to the gold. Okay, the gold is been rally for recent since July. Okay, since July. Okay, and we have been longing the gold after it makes a double bottom, right, and make a 2618 trade, make a 618 pullback or the structure pullback. So the last time I say if the gold can maintain above 1215, we want to buy. Okay, because it just completes the ABCD pattern from here. Okay, it's a beautiful ABCD pattern. All right, you can see it just completes nicely. So the price rallied and formed a rising channel. It's uptrend channel from here. Okay, let's just draw the channel. You will see that how the price move in this channel. Okay. Yes, you're right. Because a lot of friends are from my international students group. You can see here is all foreigner students, not only Chinese people. Okay, a lot of international students from here. Okay, from USA, from Canada, from Malaysia, from Europe. Right. Sure. I will talk about GBP soon. Okay, so the gold is in the uptrend channel. So as long as it's still in this channel, you don't want to short. Okay, you want to short only when the channel is broken. And right now, the gold I'm thinking for very, very critical level, which is here. Okay, which is here, this level. Let me just mark for you, which will be 1274 to 1281. Okay. So what is so important of this zone? Because this zone is previously the structure for the gold for support for quite a long time, which is here. Okay, you can see here. Price has been, held very nicely, support, still support because it's a pin bar, didn't close above, close below, right? Support, and then break down. Okay, and then pull back, cannot close above, then another sell. This is the origin of the bearish move for the next whole, 700 pips, right? From 1274 to 1204. Okay, so this is origin of this downtrend move. So this zone is very, very important, right? So I will wait for the gold to go into this area, okay, and then I will check whether it can have a double top, okay, a double top formed, okay, break new low, break a neckline. I will use a 2618 trade to short, okay, understand? Okay, I will make, just wait patiently for the gold to make a double top, right? Double top. Understand? Yeah, Kim, I think you don't know that there's tools called translator, right? We have a lot of translation software. You just type English in WeChat or in QQ, you can just translate all the English to Chinese in the same and the other way. Okay, so gold, pay attention to 1274 to 4.49 to 1 to 81.16 and wait for the price to have a double top, which is just pay attention to this lower high, okay, lower high. I want to see a lower high and then I want to see a lower low, okay. I will see the lower high and lower low to confirm the trend has changed, and best if can break the whole, uptrend. Okay, I want to see the two things happen at the same time. Okay, same time, which means the first one, okay, I want to see a lower highs. Second, I want to see a lower low. Thirdly, I want to see the trend line broken. Understand? Can you see? Can you see my words? So all these three information will tell you that, okay, you can short go right now because it has been a moving to prepare for a downtrend move. Okay, lower high, lower low occurs, trend line broken, and we have anticipated the gold to be rejected from 1 to 74.49 to 1 to 81. Okay, because this is a very, very important killing zone. Okay, killing zone for the gold. Right. Another scenario is if the gold have a very, very strong upside move and break 1 to 81, then all your short setups will be invalid. Okay, this is scenario 2. If the gold breaks very, very, big move upside, you want to focus on the buy. This is scenario 2. Understand? So what is my bias? Okay, I have already told you my plan A will be my bias. I will think gold will be rejected from 1 to 74 to 1 to 81. Okay, most likely will be rejected. Okay, so my preferred plan is to have a wait for a double top to confirm the trend changed. Okay, or maybe a smaller time frame. You can see a smaller double top. Okay, in 1 hour chart maybe. Yes, I think this will be my, because the downside move will have give you a more potential of rewards. Okay, where is the gold callback? Or is it always high? What do you mean? Or is it always high? I don't understand what is called callback. Okay, but anyway, just prepare for the plan A and plan B. Okay, plan B is a supplementary plan if you see a very strong candle close above 1281. Okay, be prepared the gold may have a drop very hugely to maybe 1 to 30, okay, or 1 to 40 first. Okay, right. Okay, so this is for the gold. Let's talk about the oil. Okay, we know that tonight we have an EIA, right? We have the oil data, the inventory. Okay, the oil has been quite tricky this week because first of all, it gives you some kind of signal that it may breaks the trend line, right? Breaks the trend line. Okay, and it just drop very quickly. Okay, and from the harmonic patterns wise, we want to we have an identify a bat pattern from here. Okay, although the X point may not be perfect, but just be prepared that the oil may rise to 50.84 and test this structure. Okay, so if the oil do rise to that area, you want to take a short. You may consider take a short where you put your stop loss above the X point. Why do you do that? Because your risk is more. Okay, your whole risk is just this much, but your reward will be at least 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 or maybe even 1 to 5. Okay, so this is how you do business. Okay, you want to invest certain money and with certain risk, and you want to a couple of times of rewards. Okay, so this is for the bad pattern. Okay, 50.84 is the key level. And for intraday wise, 1 hour chart, okay, since the oil has a very strong set off, and yesterday when I in my students group, I see this candle. Okay, I see this. I announced that the oil actually break 50.11, right? And this candle just cannot, although it is a green candle, tells you it's buyer, but it's just a bounce. It's a bounce. So if the oil cannot close above 50, I'm going to short. Okay, so it did really retrace to about 49.98, and that's the place I enter a short. Okay, and the short works very well from 49.97 to 48.36. That's 160 moves, 160 pips move. Okay, and for tonight, to be honestly, I don't really care what is the result of the EIA. Okay, because that will be the catalyst to push the oil either up or down or sideways. Okay, it's actually the data's results is not the most important thing. Most important thing is how the trader reacts from the data. Okay, so from this point of view, from this 1 hour chart, we can see that the oil has broken the wedge here. Okay, the DXY already talked. Okay, in the first 5 minutes, I already talked DXY. Okay, so you can later on you can check my videos, check the recordings. Yeah. Okay, it has broken down and make lower low and lower low. Okay, bounce back, lower high, and then a secondary test. Right. So right now the oil is in a range. The range is from this place to this place, from here to here. Okay, so from 48.20 to 49.20, that's $1 range. Okay, so within this range, you want to buy low and sell high, of course, no problem. But just be careful about the EIA inventory, which will be announced in almost just 10 minutes later. Okay, if I'm not wrong, it should be 10 minutes later, right? Let me just check the calendar. Anyone want to trade the EIA news later? Raise your hand. Yeah, crude oil, yeah, 8 minutes, right? Oil inventories. The expectation is negative 2.957 million. Previous is negative 7 million, right? So it's actually good because it's negative minus 2.95, which is much higher. right? Than the last month's figure. Okay, so I'm thinking the oil may have it may breaks up a little bit to try to retest the trend line, and also at least it may touch the 618 level, which is 49.61. Yes, David, you're right. Yeah, always use the 618 level for you to to measure what kind of a pullback it is, right? It is more than 618, it may go to bullish trend. It is if the upside room stop at a 61A, it may have a drop. Okay, so this very critical area will be 49.61 to 49.84, or maybe 786 level. So just mark this whole area. Okay, use the 618 and 786 for you to measure the upside momentum. It is strong or weak. Okay, if the price goes up and form a kind of a pin bar, okay, form a pin bar from here. Okay, you actually want to short. You want to take a short. Okay, because we want to join the downside move, and we want to sell high. Right. Another reason is if we use the extension from this swing, okay, and we know that, okay, it may go to the 1.618 here, which is 49.78. Okay, I will just mark this 49.78. I think which will be very, very important for today. For today. Yeah, also that is correct. You're right. Okay, 49.7.8. This level will be my key level to watch for short, maybe, right? So I will not be surprised that oil, fake breakup, then all the way comes down. So just find some place to, sell high. For buy low, you want to only buy low when the price, really hits into 48.34 again, right? Goes into the depth to test it twice, and then maybe there's a small bounce back, maybe. Okay. Can you please explain how you draw 618 level? Okay, very, very, very simple. You just need to use the Fibonacci tool. Okay, it's here. Okay, Fibonacci tracement and draw from swing high to swing low, right? Very easy. Okay, and you can have the 618 level. All right, 6 minutes later, it will publish the inventory data. Okay, if the price goes down first, it may find some support from this area from 48.83. So that's some place you want to watch closely as well. If the price drop to here but cannot close below, it may just shoot up. Okay, or it may goes up first and come down, right? So we just need to watch first, but don't trade right now. Don't trade right now, okay? Don't gamble with the data. Okay. Cool. All right, let's just below, before the market really goes to the data announced, let's check euro, dollar, and sterling. Okay, the euro has finished a butterfly pattern 1 hour chart, and then it actually have touched the 1.61 extension, okay, which is 1.1870, okay, which is here, almost touched, right? So I will watch closely for the price action here, and right now, in the 30-minute chart, the euro has already broken down, right? The uptrend, smaller uptrend from here. Okay, and that's give us a reason to short the euro right now. Okay, because it's pulling back to this structure at 1.1855 to 1.1868. Okay, so you can consider to take a short and just not aim very far, but at least aim to 1.1830. Okay, that is your first target, right? And the stop loss is above 1.170. That is stop loss level. You don't want to trade. You don't want to take a short or hold your shorts when the price move another high. Okay, you want to short the pullback. Okay, and just pull back to 786 level. I think. Yeah. Now it's still below 618. So probably you can take a short because it breaks a new this uptrend, right? The whole bullish, this is a bullish move, but it can't fail to maintain above the structure, right? And now it's pulling back. So you can short the euro right now, okay? Yeah, short the euro right now and aim for, you know, a 30 pips move or even 50 pips move for today, okay? Okay, oil, okay, goes down a little bit, touch the previous neckline here, okay, a little about this area, okay, so later on just watch, will it just bounce from here or will it goes up first and drop, okay? So this is our plan, just watch for these two zones to consider trading opportunities, okay? Okay, let's talk about the sterling, okay? Sterling is strong recently. Okay, it keeps breaking new high, especially here. Okay, after breaks 1.3160, it totally, you know, have a keep going up, right? But in the daily chart, sorry, in the weekly chart, okay, in the weekly chart, it's going to test the previous this structure here, okay, from 1.3261. Okay, to 1.3445 is, I think we will test this area, right? In daily chart, I can see our ABCD move, and this ABCD move just complete at 1.3248. So you want to short the GBP when it break down this trend line and still cannot close above 1.3261, and you want to take a short of the, you know, to sell the breakdown, okay? Okay, so but right now I think that you don't want to short right now because there's no bearish signal. Okay, in the 1 hour chart, I don't see any patterns as well. Okay, it's just, you know, trying testing the previous high. It may just have another high. Okay, but I will watch the 1.3160. If the price first come back to this area, I want to be a buyer. Okay, I want to be a buyer to join the second move. Okay, because this is a breakout. Okay, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, you know, reject, and then it's a firm breakout. Pull back, you want to buy. All right. Okay, let's go to the AU Aussie. Okay, the Aussie have a nice breakout and pullback, right? And have another, you know, it's a kind of a garlic pattern, right? Yeah, sort of a garlic pattern, but didn't really touch the 618. Okay, so maybe a bad pattern, but didn't really completed our ideal price for entry or short, which is 0.8050. Didn't missed by about 8 pips. Okay, and then it just come down again, right? So I would think the Aussie right now is sideways from 0.8065 to 0.7936. Okay, let's go to the oil. Okay, the price test this level. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, sure, I think I can see the price moves up, right? So the price did goes, you know, test the previous structure, and the buyers comes in, right? I think for the data, it is not so, let me just see. Okay, it's negative 1.527 million, okay, okay, yeah. Yeah, so from there, it's actually a bearish, bad data for the oil because it tells you that the supply is still more than demand, right? However, the oil, you know, if it fail to break the new low, I will think it goes up, right? It goes up. So we can see here this area is what we mark, right, for today. Just watch for the closing price of this 1 hour candle, see whether it can break through or it failed to break through. Okay, if it failed to break through, we may consider to buy and aim for 49.61. All right. Okay. Yeah. You can see. Let's go to 5 minutes charts. I can see that, yeah, the buyers is really at this 48.70 to 48.90 this area. Okay, there are buyers here, and if you measure the 618, it just hit the 618, right? Yeah, just touch the 618 and goes up. So with this if this hour the oil closed above 48.81, you may consider to buy, okay, for a 2618 trade, okay, 2618 trade, because this is a double bottom, right? Okay, this is double bottom, and it goes up, right, and pull back to 0.618. Okay, yeah, just watch for the closing price. Okay, don't enter now because the price hasn't consolidated yet. Okay, we don't see the first 5 minutes candle closed. Okay, you want to buy when the oil cannot break the 48.53. Okay, so your stop loss for your long should be just below 48.40, below this low, okay, below this low, and uh, aim for a rally to about 49.73 or maybe 50. Okay, yeah, or maybe 618 level is here, 49.73. So this is a potential buying opportunities if the price can stay above 48.81. Right. All right. Okay, so for the Aussie 1 hour chart is sideways. All right. We can see some support from 0.7930, which is here. This structure. This is structure. Okay. So the price may still rally again, right? And just pay attention to 0.8016. Okay, pay attention to this 618 level, right? I'm still thinking that it may have to rally to here and then drop again, right? Okay, let's go to the Kiwi dollar. The Kiwi dollar has a very strong, bearish move after the unemployment rate data published. All right, so right now, in my opinion, for the Kiwi, it's very simple and effective trade because we have a structure here. It's broken, right? It's broken. Okay, it's broken, and I'm waiting for a pullback. I'm waiting for a pullback to this same area, about 0.7460. Okay, and then I want to take a short. I want to take a short to enjoy the second move. Okay, so for the Kiwi, wait for the pullback to short. Right. What about the oil? Oh, okay, it goes down, touch the 886, and form the back pattern. Maybe, yeah. Did you see that? May not be a very perfect back pattern because the C point is a little bit higher than the A point, right? Okay, so there's a bullish bat pattern completed at 48.61. Okay, so immediately you can, for this bad pattern entry, you can buy from here, from 48.61, stop below 48.50. Okay, and what is your target? Your target could be from here. Okay, your first target, okay, 48.84. Okay, and see the price rally again, rally very quickly, right? So when the price hit 48.84, you want to take some profit of your buy. If you buy it from 48.60, right? So that's your first target. Your second target will be the 618 level, which is 49. Okay, so this not perfect bullish bad pattern, but it's tradable. It's tradable, right? So don't short the oil right now. You want to short only when X points is invalid, or you want to short a pullback. Okay, at least to 49. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about dollar yen. All right, just now in my students group, I mentioned I say dollar yen have a good reversal signal, right? Because it breaks the downtrend line, form a higher high. Okay, this is a neckline for this double bottom, right? Okay, so immediately you want to buy from 110.32. Okay, you want to buy from here. So this is the area you want to consider to buy. If the price drop to here, Okay, you can buy, and stop loss is below the low. Okay, and aim for a rally. Aim for a rally to 110.98, and then all the way to 111.60. Right. So dollar yen, watch for the buying opportunities here. All right. Any questions? If not, let's move on. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. In the correlation, if the dollar yen hits to here and goes up, most likely the gold will go down. But however, it's correlated. Okay, negative correlated. But recently for the gold, it didn't really works very negative way. Okay, you see the gold is still going up, right? Okay, and goes come down, goes up again, right? This move and this move. Okay, it works. It works. Dollar yen goes up, gold goes down, right? Yeah, but dollar yen breaks a new low. However, the gold, it didn't really breaks new low. Okay, which means the dollar yen's drop is higher than the gold's upside move. Right? But you can use this as a relevant related signals. Okay, yeah. For the gold, just now I mentioned, right? See here, the gold goes up, right? Goes up. Okay, so today in my Chinese students group, I say that gold we can consider to buy from here, from 1 to 63. Okay, so now we have a almost 60 pips move. Okay, it's very simple. It's just still, a breakout and pullback trade. Okay, so it tells you that yeah, we have a rally, we have support, and we have another support here. Okay, all right. I want to keep your gold long position to to see whether you can break 1 to 74 to 1 to maybe to 1 to 75. Okay. Still in uptrend channel. Yes, you're right. In the 4-hour chart, still in upside move. Okay. Yeah. It's a beautiful breakout and pullback. Now the gold have a very strong support from 1 to 62 to 1 to 64. Okay. So it may go up again, right? It's still in upside, yeah, still in upside channel. So you can still buy the low, okay, buy the pullback. Okay, lastly, let's talk about SPX 500. Okay, the S&P 500 is actually giving you a very good harmonic patterns to take a short. Okay, it's actually here. This is things butterfly patterns, right? Yeah, or you can consider this as a bad pattern as well. It's a bearish bat. Let's just measure. Yeah, perfect. The D point at 2478. Okay, 2478. So this bad pattern tells you that you can short from 2478, stop from 2482, and aim for 2 targets. And another thing is I want to short S&P is the U.S. stocks. Those financial reports has been published, right? Yeah, and it didn't really break new high. Okay, this is a lower high here. Okay, I want to see a lower low to break this level. I want to see a lower low. Okay, make sure the trend change, and I want to sell the pullback. Okay, I will use the 618 or I'll use the neckline pullback or use the structural pullback. Okay, it's still the same story. Okay, but you can consider short from 12478 because your risk is not very much. Okay. Okay, USDTRY. Right, there's an interesting pairs, which is I didn't really trade. Okay, Turkish Lira, right? Yeah. For this one, I will just mark from the weekly chart. Okay. It looks like, yeah, it pulls back to this same area here, okay? Same area here. So if the Turkish lira can, Turkish lira can maintain above 3.47, it may still rally. It may still have another rally, okay? Yes, SPX 500 looks head and shoulders, right? Yeah, correct. Okay, let's talk about the Euro Yen and the Sterling Yen. Okay, Euro Yen breaks new high today. However, it's facing a lot of resistance here, which is here. Okay, 132.287. And another thing you should measure from the 1.618 level will be here, 133.295. So just be patient, wait for the price to goes into this range and consider take short. Right now, you don't have a reason to short. It's still a upside channel, right? And as long as you still can maintain above this line, you don't want to short. Okay, you don't short when the line is broken down, right? So wait for high to short, okay, not low to short. For the Sterling Yen daily chart, I'm waiting for this garlic pattern to complete. Okay, I think it's already complete, right? Yeah, not really, didn't really touch the high. Okay, yeah, the move will be the entry level will be about 147.20. Okay, I will use these harmonic patterns to short, to take a short, and all the way I'm looking for a big reward to 141 at least. Okay, because we are still in a previous big bearish pattern here. Remember last time we short from 147.60, right? Still, this pattern is still working, right? And things works, the high is getting lower, right, and breaks down. So now the price pulls back again. So you want to short. You want to short the Sterling Yen in a long-term directions. Okay. All right. I want to talk about the USD Mexican. All right. Yeah. Sorry. Just don't trade that. Don't trade that. German 30 are interesting. It's kind of forming a top as well. They already have a lower low and lower highs. So the trend may start to change. Okay. And now we have a support from 120,000 level. Okay. So you either wait for this level to break down again and short. Okay. So 1,2,000 level is very important. Breakdown and pullback short. Yeah, that's my plan. Okay, breakdown and wait for pullback. Natural gas. Okay, natural gas. The natural gas is kind of sideways for quite long term, right? Quite long time, and very obviously cannot break. It's 3.4 is the last time when I short. Okay, last time when I say going to short is actually, yeah, short from the 618 level from 3.37 or 3.4. And right now it goes down but didn't really close below. So I will anticipate still are some buyers from here. There are still some buying force at this level. So don't short, okay, into the support. Okay, you want to short when the pullback. Okay, or you want to trade you want to buy the low. Okay, I will give you a chart for the natural gas is here. Okay, it is this potential bad pattern. It tells you that it may go to 1.86. Okay, make form this bad pattern on the weekly chart. Okay, so if you have a short, you can hold all the way to 1.869. Okay. How to use financial management in the pattern trade, Jack? For example, bad pattern. What do you mean? How to use the financial management? What do you mean by financial management? I mean, for particular harmonic patterns, we have rules. When we have an entry, we have stop loss, we have targets, right? And that is all in my or in my course, right? And of course, you can try to to get some information from the other free source, right? But I'm teaching these harmonic pattern systems with my own understanding, and it has been proved to be a very successful training course, because a lot of my students have been discussed after they master these systems, they can start to draw their own charts and start to make money, right? So yeah, if you want to buy, okay, for the oil, guys, right? The oil just now, the bad pattern, right? Long from 48.60, and we have our first target complete at 48.84, and you should take some profit. And now it's the second test. It still cannot break new low, so you may consider to buy it again and aim for another high to 49, right? So this is some trade we caught just now, right? You just catch this move from 48.60, right? Buy from here and take profit and ready to take profit again. When we need to move our stop loss to break even, when the first target is hit, you want to move the stop loss to break even. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD is going up. Okay, for the dollar CAD, after so long term, very bearish channel, now it's broken. Okay, so I'm going to buy the dollar CAD. Okay, and the best opportunity has already been given to you, which is here, this structure, right? You can see here the structure is broken, right? Breakout, pull back, didn't hit the stop loss, and just hold from 1.2460, give you so many chances to buy. And right now you have almost 120 pips. Okay, so for the dollar CAD, just watch for any pullback to 1.242543. This level will become a new buying zone, so watch for pullback to buy it again. Okay, dollar CAD is going up. Yes, there's a pullback already. Yes, this candle is already give you a pullback. Right. If you miss the entry, you probably need to wait for the price to come down again, right? Since the price didn't really close up, creates a new high. Now, okay. All right, so that's all for today, and we covered almost everything. And good luck for your trading for non-farm payroll. Okay, you can consider to trade gold, you can consider to trade oil, right? Trade the euro, trade the dollar yen, right? But just pay attention to the big picture, okay? Just remember the dollar is in a support area you want to buy. Okay, for the euro, just now I say the euro you may consider short, right? Yeah, this ping is telling you that 1.1857 has very big resistance. So stop loss above 1.1880 and aim for down. Okay. Now dollar CAD already shows the bullish momentum. Okay, because in the 4-hour chart you can clearly see that the last lower high, okay, this high is being violated, right? It breaks new high and have a higher low, okay, and another higher high, right? So the dollar CAD have a upside momentum already. Gold again, yeah, gold again. I'm saying the gold you can buy from 1262 to 1264 level, and now it's already goes to 1270. Or almost hit my target. Right, my target is about there. I mean, for my intraday target will be about here. Okay, it may goes up again to 1.1276 to 1.81 this level. Okay, remember in the daily chart I said here. Okay, on daily chart. Sorry, 4-hour charts here. Okay, just watch closely for this this area. Okay, and find your short from here. Okay, you can buy, take profit, and ready to take a short when the double top confirm. Okay, yeah, that's our plan. No, not sell now. Wait for it goes to 1275 to 1281. Yeah. Now it's still in the upside channel. It's still in uptrend. You want to buy. You want to buy the pullback. You want to hold your allowance to 175. Okay. All right. Oh, Favor. Very good to see you. Hi, Favor. How are you? Yeah, I'm going back to Singapore in next week. Yeah, maybe we can have a gathering in Singapore. Where are you now? Now, right now I'm in Shanghai. Yeah, yeah. Watch Head and Shoulder for gold. What is Head and Shoulder? Where is Head and Shoulder? I didn't see the chart. Oh, just came back from Europe. Wow, good for you. That's so nice. Okay, see you guys next week maybe. Okay, trade with care, trade with logic. Right, and if you like my logics, you like my training, yeah, you consider to join my students group. You can consider to sign up my course here, right? Demand zone, yeah, correct. This supply and demand plus structure plus harmonic patterns. That's all. Yeah, that's how the system works. Okay, plan your trade and trade your plan. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.